Hey guys, I'm not sure what happened, but I'm gonna do a quick Trader Joe's haul with you guys. I picked up some pink salt. This is crystals, but I use pink Himalayan salt. That's the salt of choice I use. And lately I haven't been trying not to use as much salt. Let's see, I got some body care stuff. I picked up their lavender salt scrub. This is a really nice thing to have to pamper yourself. Then I love this. I use this on my face. This is their Argan oil. Really good. Oh man, I was in Target and I forgot something. Oh, I hate when that happens. I picked up some soup and oyster crackers. I'm gonna make some chili this week. These are gonna be great. I've never tried their almond milk, so I got the vanilla unsweetened because sometimes I use this in cooking. I normally get the one from Aldi's, so I'm gonna try this, see if we like it. Then I'm excited. I'm trying their mozzarella style shreds, and this is made out of cashew and coconut. So I'm excited to try this. Then I have 2 yogurts. This is creamy. This is organic creamy cashew, and this is made out of cashews, and this is dairy free, of course. And I love cashews. And then I picked up the almond version, so I'll probably be trying one of these with my lunch. Then I went ahead. I love smoked paprika. That is like my favorite seasoning. So I picked up 2 of these. And these are fairly cheaper at Trader Joe's. They're like $2.29 or $2.99, something like that. But at the normal grocery store, like Vons, the one here in California is... Uh-oh, what's going on? It's $4.99. So I got 2 of these because I go through these a lot. And then I picked up some organic ground pepper. I just need this. I just threw away my pepper. It went empty. And I'm excited. Oops, sorry about that slam. I'm excited to try the chili onion crunch. I love chili oil. So this is pretty much chili oil. It's in olive oil with dried garlic and peppers. Yum, yum, yum. Excited to try that. Hi there, man. Then I picked up some thyme. Then I love the Brussels sprouts that are like cut up already. Easy to saute and put it with whatever you want to eat it with. Picked up some green onions. Let's see. I picked up this drink. I used to drink this before. I just wanted something like sparkly to drink. This is lemonade. I don't really drink a lot of stuff. I try to stick to water and like apple juice that I buy the kids. I just water it down for myself. Then I picked up mushrooms. Love mushrooms. Can't have enough of them. Mr. Man. I'm trying to talk to the people again. Say hi to everybody. Then I picked up some fettuccine with mushrooms. This isn't all the way vegan, but it's okay. I should have looked better on the packaging. Then I have Thai vegetable gyzora. These are going to be yummy. And these have soybeans and wheat in it. And then I'm excited to try these jackfruit patties, or jackfruit cakes. Crabless cakes. These are going to be good. And then I have this vegetable fried rice that I'm going to go ahead and make right now. So that was my quick little haul. I'm sure I'm missing some things, but I just wanted to come and share those items. I'm not really a big Trader Joe's shopper. I feel like Aldi's is a little bit cheaper, and then I go to like Sprouts. But if I like some of these items, I will definitely keep shopping at Trader Joe's. But just wanted to share that with you guys. Mr. Aya. All right. So say bye to the people. We gonna have lunch. You gonna eat lunch now? Yeah. Here, let's try the yogurt with the people. Let's try the organic creamy cashew. It's good. And I have a spoon over here. Ooh, that's bad. I don't have no spoon. We got a baby spoon. I'm gonna try some and give some to him. Tastes good. You like it? This is the organic creamy cashew yogurt from Trader Joe's. It tastes pretty good. It's made out of cashew and coconut. You want some more? Mom will give you some more. Here you go. You like it? Okay. I guess we're gonna share this, right? All right, guys. We just wanted to share our Trader Joe's haul. And I'll see you guys in another live. Hopefully I can get around to do a live with my makeup one these days. I am offering virtual one-on-ones with me. And if you're interested, you can always email me or message me and we can chit chat about it. All right. I will see you guys later. I'm gonna make lunch for the fam bam. And I'll see you guys in my next live. Bye.